Hi, my name is Lay, and I will help you convert these numbers to binary. So for us to be able to convert it to binary, we need to use these numbers below. Okay, so how do I come up for these numbers? So it is just adding the number to itself, so we could get the number. Okay, so 1 plus 1 equals 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 8 plus 8, 16, so on and so forth. Right, so let's start converting 45 to binary. So first, we need to check what numbers could we add to so that we could get the 45. So since it's binary, means the only digit that we could use is 0 and 1. So basically that's the only numbers that the computer could recognize, right? So if 1 means we could add that number to all the numbers which has the mark 1. If it's 0, means we don't need to add that number, right? So the highest number, first we'll start with the highest number. So the highest number that we could use is 32, because it's not more than 45. So let's mark 32 1. Okay, and then what number could we add to 32 so we could get the 45? If we will add 16 to 32, we will get more than 45. So meaning we cannot use 16. So let's mark this 0. Alright, next is the number 8. Could we add number 8 to 32? Yes, we can add it, because 32 plus 8 equals to 40. So let's mark it 1. Alright, so we already have 40. So we still need to have 5. So which other numbers we could use so we can get a total of 45? Right, so we could add the number 4. So 40 plus 4 is 44. So could we use number 2? No, because we will get 46 if we will use the number 2. So let's mark this as 0. Okay, next one is number 1. Could we add it to 44 so we could get 45? Yes. So let's mark this as 1. Right? So meaning if we will convert 45 to binary numbers, we could get these numbers. So we will read it from 1 or from left to right. So the answer is 1 0 1 1 0 1. Right, so we will do the same for the rest of the numbers. Okay, let me just delete these numbers here. Okay, please give me a moment here. Just change it white. Okay, I will just delete this, remove this one, so we could, right. So next is 58. So again, we will think of a number which we could use, so we could derive from 58. So again, the highest number we could use is 32. 32. What other number? We cannot use 16 because we'll go over by 58. Okay. Let me just check. So 48. Oh, we could use a 16. Let me just delete this. 16. What other number that we could add? We could use a number 8. We cannot use a number 4. And we could use 1, or number 2 rather, then 0. Right, so to check if we got the correct answer, all we need to do is to add all these numbers with the corresponding numbers 1. So 2 plus 8 equals to 10. 10 plus 16 is 26. 26 plus 32 is 58. So we got the correct answer. So again, we will get it from left to right. So 58 is equals to 1 1 1 0 1 0. Right, so let's go on to our next number. Okay, so we will convert 124 to binary. Hey, same process. Let's get the highest number that we could get, so we can derive from 124. So 128, you cannot use it because it's more than 124. So 64. Okay. So 64. Then what other number? We can use 32, because 64 plus 32 is 96. What other number we could add to 96 so we could get 124? So let's try to check if we can add this 16. So let's try 96 plus 16. Okay, let's add this. Okay, so we will get 112, so we can use it. Right, so 112, can we add number 8? Yes, because we can get 112 plus 8 is 120. Okay, what other numbers can we add so we can get 124? So we can use the number 4, because 120 plus 4 is 124. And then for this number, we need to put 0 0, because if we didn't put 0 0 after this number, if we will add it automatically, computer will read it as 1 2 4 8 16 instead of 64 32 16 8 4, right? So from left to right, the answer is 1 1 1 1 1 0 0. Okay, so if you wanted to check to verify if our answer is correct, you could use this method or the first one that I said a while ago. So the next number that we will convert is the 253. So the highest number that we could use is 128. So let's put a mark here. Oops, where's my pen? Right, I got it. Alright, so let's put one here. Oh, okay. So 128. What number can we add to 124 which will not go over 253? So can we use 64? Okay, let's add 128 to 64. Okay, so we can get 192. So yes, we could use it. So this is 192. So okay, let's get another number that we could use, or we could add to 192 so we could get 253. So let's try this 32. And so 192 plus 32. So yes, we could use it. So let's mark this as 1 plus 32 is 224. So what other number we could use? 16. Let's try to add 16 to 224. So plus 16, we can get 240. Okay, so we can use this. Okay, so okay, next, can we add 8? Yes, because 224 plus 8 is equals to 248. Okay, so 248 plus, let's try 4 plus 4. Okay, plus 4 equals to 252. Okay, so we still one more. Can we use 2? No, but we could use 1. So 253. We get the same answer. So again, from left to right. So the 253 is equivalent to 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you need to be careful, because one mistake, then we cannot get the correct answer. Okay, so last we will convert 1234 to binary. So I will delete this first, so we could use this. Okay, right. Remove this too. Right. So, hey, again, let's think of the highest number that we could use, so we could come up to 1234. So the highest number here is 1024. So 1024, let's mark this as 1. Could we add 512 to 1024? No, because we could get more than what we need. So let's mark this as 0. How about the 256? No, because it will be over 1234 again. So let's mark this 0. How about 128? Yes, because if we will add 100 or 1024 to 128, we will get 1152. Okay, so what other number could we add? So to 1152, so we could get the correct answer. Right, so let's try 64. So 1152 plus 64 is 1232. 1232. Right. Okay. Or rather, sorry, 1216. Let me just delete this. So 1216. Okay. Right. So what other number here could we add? 32? No. Okay, how about 16? Yes. Because if we will add 1216 to 16, we will get 1232. Okay, so we already have 1232, so we only need to add 2, so which only means that we cannot use 8, we cannot use 4, and we cannot use 0, but we can use 2. If we will add 2 to 1232, we will get 1230. Let's erase this first. 4. I don't know why it's not working. Right. So again, let's put the answer here. Let me just remove this, because if it will confuse us. Let me just remove this one. Anyways, we don't need this. Okay, so from left to right, that 1234 to binary is 1. Oops. Okay, there you go. Right. So 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 0. Okay, let me just delete this. Yes, it will confuse us. Okay, and this one too. Okay, alright, so that is as easy as that. So we already have the answers. Right, so thank you for listening. Hope you will enjoy it. Bye.